Let's talk about arrays of structures. So in the previous video, we've talked about how we can initialize and declare things in a structure. You can also make arrays inside of the structure. So we'll come to do ARR, and I'll set it equal to, you can have like this, a simple array inside of here. So we have a size 5 and we have 5 elements inside of here. That's having an array in a structure, but you can also have an array of structures. Well, what do I mean? Well, if we get rid of all this code down here, we can make an array full of departments. So you can have all this previous code per departments and have them in arrays. So if we have our current structure for the departments and we make a new array, to do this whole array of departments, we're going to first need the department itself. We are going to want to make a, we'll just say building, and then inside of this building we have 20 departments, and then we can end this line. So again, you need the structure name that you made or that you're referencing to. You need a name that you're going to be able to remember and use, and then you're going to need the size of this array. So this structure currently holds 6 elements. This is going to hold 20 of these. Every element of the array is going to be accessed through a subscript. To get these elements inside of here, we're going to need like the building itself and then the actual index that we're referencing. So let's say we're referencing index 9. Well, we aren't going to just be able to print this out because index 9 is this entire structure. To get something from index 9, what we'll do is a cout, and then let's say you want index 0. You'll do index 0, so building 0. You're going to need the dot, just like we did in the previous example. That's how you get the values at these elements. Dot name and line. And so this is going to give us the name at building 0. It's just going to print temp because we declared it up here and initialize it to temp. You could have a loop that would go through all of these departments and print out all of the individual parts. So that's how you would use an array to store a bunch of different structures. All it takes is this code right here and then a single one of these, which will give you a bunch of departments inside of this single building. If you have any questions about this code, leave a comment below, and if you want more structure material or C++, check out that playlist link below the like button.